House hunting must checks. The top things to look for when house hunting, so you don't buy a lemon in paradise. Hi, I'm Margaret, your dachshund-loving, cannonball into the pool, Space Coast real estate matchmaker. So you're in the hunt for your next dream home? Cue the dramatic music and the HD TV style montage. But wait! Before you fall in love with the kitchen backsplash or that Pinterest-worthy reading nook, let's talk about the things that really matter when buying a solid, well-built home that won't surprise you later with costly repairs and midnight plumbing emergencies. Because let's be honest, buying a home is kind of like dating. You want a long-term potential, not just curb appeal and a charming smile. Here's your handy and witty checklist of top things to look for when you're out shopping like a pro. First, foundation, the relationship status of the home. Cracks are cute in jokes, not in concrete. Check for visible cracks in walls, floors, or around windows. Uneven flooring, doors that won't close right. This could be signs of foundation issues. And honey, no one wants their dream home doing the cha-cha slide every hurricane season. Plumbing, because nobody loves surprise indoor waterfalls. Turn on all the faucets like you're testing the hotel room for fun. Check water pressure. Look under sinks for leaks and mold. Is the water heater ancient? Is it still wearing parachute pants from the 80s? That's a no. Roof, the literal overhaul overhead cost. A new roof equals a happy future you. Check the age, condition, and type of roofing. Look for missing shingles, sagging areas, or any signs of patch jobs that look like they were done blindfolded. Roof replacements aren't cheap, darling. HVAC, your Florida BFF. Let's get real. If your AC doesn't work in Florida, you're basically living in a toaster. Ask about the age of the unit. Check for maintenance records. And make sure it isn't gasping for air like it just ran a marathon. Termites. Tiny creatures, massive headaches. Look for wood damage, sagging floors, or soft spots. Termites love warm coastal climates. Unfortunately, just like we do. A good inspection will sniff them out, but keep your eyes open for suspicious damage during your walkthroughs. Electrical. Shocking surprises, not welcome. Check outlets, lights, and breaker panels. Outdated wiring can be a fire hazard. Plus, if there aren't enough outlets for all your chargers, air fryers, puppy cams, and mood lighting, you'll be annoyed on day one. Windows and doors, your first line of defense. Do they open smoothly? Lock tightly? Let the natural light shine in. Bonus points if they're energy efficient and hurricane rated. Because let's keep the wind out and the air conditioning in. Thank you very much. The neighborhood vibe check. You're not just buying a house, you're buying into a community. Drive around at different times of the day. Chat with a few potential neighbors. Are they friendly? Are the lawns mowed? Is there a kid doing sick bike tricks or a golden retriever named Captain who seems like he could be your new BFF? Use future cost estimators. Check insurance quotes, taxes, HOA fees, and expected utility bills. A low sticker price on a home does not mean low monthly cost. Think long term, especially in Florida where the wind and flood insurance can be a thing. Ask your realtor, that's me, the right questions. This is where I shine like a freshly cleaned granite countertop. I'll help you spot the red flags, the hidden gems, and the homes that'll keep your future maintenance budget as light as your new puppy's tail wags. Final thought, look past the shiny new appliances and stage to perfection vibes. You want a sound, solid, future-friendly home, not a drama-filled money pit. And the good news? I've got your back from walkthrough to welcome mat. Ready to find your perfect nest? Complete with the perfect yard for your pup and maybe even a pool for the grandkids or cannonballs? Let's house hunt together. You can search homes now at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. You can go on virtual tours and get some fun real estate tips on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Or you can call or text me anytime, 321-480-7662. Because your dream home isn't going to find itself, and neither is the perfect yard for your next barbecue and your Doc's Head zoomies. Margaret Klein signing off. Hope to talk to you soon, and that you got some cool, helpful hints for your dream home search. Bye-bye.